Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my oat porridge. This is the brand that I love. It has dry fruits in it, that is apple and other fruits, and I'll be using milk. You can also use water and milk, but I prefer using plain milk for this. And the fruits that I'll be using today is just bananas and raspberries. You can alter the recipe according to your preference. So I'm just going to add about 4 tablespoons of oatmeal, followed by some milk, and stirring it until it thickens up, and I'll be making it on medium-low heat. You can go ahead and add dry fruits or even raisins if you prefer. Some people prefer to use water first and then add milk later when the oat porridge is almost done, but for this particular one it's instant, so I prefer using milk, and the flavor is even more delicious when I use plain milk. My porridge is done and thick and to the consistency that I like, and I'll go ahead and serve it. Finally, I'm going to add cinnamon to it. It adds a beautiful flavor, and you can always add it during the cooking process. And once I've done sprinkling my cinnamon, I'm going to top it up with my favorite fruits, which I'm using today, that is raspberries and bananas. And you can go ahead and enjoy this delicious oatmeal porridge, and I hope you love it. It's very simple, very healthy as well. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please turn on your post notification, as I always have new uploads every week. And of course, I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.